Hi everyone, Courtney Roulston here to share one of my very favourite vegan recipes as part of the Living Free From Summer Entertaining series. I'm going to share with you now my grilled asparagus with vegan Hollandaise. Now in this warm weather, I like to keep my meals nice and light and bright and quick to make. This is a wonderful little snack or a side dish, or you could serve it as a light meal, or it will go with an array of grilled or roast vegetables, proteins, or salads. But really, it's all about that vegan Hollandaise, so let's kick off the recipe with that. You are going to need a cup of cashews. Now I've got some raw Coles cashews. You get these in at the baking aisle. And all I've done is place these in a pot with some water, and I've put them on a gentle simmer, or you can leave them to soak for about an hour. And you'll see the raw cashews will go nice and plump and a really lovely white pale color. This gets them really nice and soft to blend. So I'm popping the cashews along with the water into a little jug, and we're gonna blitz this up. So rather than relying on egg yolks and butter for our Hollandaise, this is what gives us the body to our sauce and that wonderful creamy texture. Just pour them in. The other ingredients for our vegan Hollandaise, I'm gonna start with a pinch of salt. I'm using some turmeric to give us a lovely golden color. There's also some great health benefits as well in ground turmeric. So 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, depending on how strong you like it. I'm going to use the juice of a lemon. Just got a little sieve to catch any pips. I'm also going in with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And just to balance up the acidity of the lemon, some of the maple syrup. I'll start with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, just to give us a lovely, fresh, fruity flavour. And we can add a little more if the mixture needs loosening once we're blending. And it's as simple as that. There's no risking of splitting this or anything like regular Hollandaise. Pop everything in the jug, get a stick blender, or you can pop this in an upright blender, and all we're going to do is to blitz this until it's beautiful and golden and smooth and creamy. Okay, I've got my 3 bunches of beautiful Coles asparagus. Pop that into a nice hot pan. You could barbecue this as well. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil to encourage that grilling and sizzling. Just season with a touch of sea salt. Takes no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. The asparagus is looking great. You want to get it out while it's still got that gorgeous, bright green, vibrant color. It's going to continue cooking after you take it out of the pan. You could do this with broccolini, pumpkin, cauliflower, eggplants, any of your favorite summer vegetables, even fresh tomatoes. It's really nice with that Hollandaise. Just going to let that asparagus rest for a little second. A couple of garnishes. I'm going to use red chilli because I like a bit of spice, and I've got some fresh chives as well. Just get that nice and fine. And for a little savoury hit, some fresh chives. Just simply snip them up. And that's it, 5 or 6 minutes, and we are ready to plate this up. So our delicious, thick, creamy, smooth Hollandaise, just drizzle that over the asparagus, as much or as little as you like. The Hollandaise recipe will make way more than you need for this recipe with the asparagus. This will keep for a week in the fridge, and you can use it on loads of things. I'm going to scatter our red chilli over, and a little touch of fiery heat into our recipe, and just some scattering of chives. And there we have it, everything you want with summer entertaining. It's fast and it's fresh, and that vegan Hollandaise is an absolute game changer. That is my grilled asparagus with vegan Hollandaise. If you'd love to connect with other people suffering from allergies, then I highly recommend checking out the Free From an Allergy Facebook community page. You're not alone, and there's loads of members on there that you can connect with. For loads of other recipe inspiration, just like this delicious one, please check out the Living Free From YouTube channel. There is so many recipes on there. I really hope this recipe has inspired you guys to get outside in the beautiful weather and try this out. I love it, and I think you're gonna love it too.